We are entering the solarium. So this is the solarium. It's nice and air conditioned in here. There's plenty of lounges.
Got the signs out. I like it. Do not hog the chair.
Oh. And you got Local over here. And here's the pool. Nice sized pool. Plenty of lounge areas in there. Little fountain over there. I do believe there's a smoking section up above. This area does get very crowded, at least on the Celebrity Reflection. This area was packed and it was very hard to find seating in here at any time.